Is cash flow holding your business back? Imagine what you could achieve if you were never waiting on payments. ScotPac's Cash Connector turns your unpaid customer invoices into a line of credit, so you're putting tomorrow's payments in your business today. Cash Connector seamlessly integrates with your accounting software, giving you access to funds in as little as 24 hours. Here's how it works. Joel runs a business that is challenged by long payment terms and late paying customers. He's looking for an easy way to get funds fast to take advantage of a great opportunity. To get a quick quote, Joel provides basic information about his business. Then syncs his accounting software with Cash Connector. His invoice data is used to tailor a finance offer. He receives a potential limit based on his invoice values. And once approved, Joel chooses which customers are used to calculate available funds. When he needs money, he simply enters his required amount and funds are available same day. When new invoices are raised in Joel's accounting software, his available funds increase. As Joel's customers pay their invoices, his available funds are replenished. With ScotPac's Cash Connector, he can take on new opportunities with the confidence that as his business grows, his credit limit will grow with him. As Australia's largest non-bank business lender, we have a range of business finance solutions to suit your needs. ScotPac is here to help you with fast and flexible funding solutions. Talk to a ScotPac lending specialist today.